Hi guys, I'm Crispy Bacon and this is Crispy Tech. And today we will unbox the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. Okay? So what you get on the box is the band, the new charger, and a manual that is apparently in Chinese, because this is a Chinese version. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I bought this for 2,000 pesos and it came with nothing, just the Mi Band itself. I bought this for 1,700 pesos and it came with two other bands. Actually, it came with the black, but the other free one is the blue one, navy blue, and a screen protector, which I haven't used yet. So the first thing that you're gonna notice on the band is the new screen design. On the Mi Band 2 it's just flat. On the Mi Band 3 it's curves, like so much curve on it. Looks very good. Comparing to the Mi Band 3, this one shows the edge of the screen. So obvious. Let's talk about the features. The features is about the same as the Mi Band 3. But if this is your first time having a Mi Band, I'm going to walk you through it. This is how it looks like when it's charging. I'm sorry it's on the side because I'm charging it from my laptop. When you unbox this thing, it's going to be in Chinese and you can't actually do anything unless you connect it with the Mi Fit app, in which you can search on the Play Store and the App Store, just search for Mi Fit and pair it to that. It will automatically change the language to English. And make sure that you check the notification access, just in case, on the settings of your phone, and turn on Mi Fit. So why do you want to do that if you don't do this? Okay, some phones will do this automatically, but just in case that you're having a problem where, okay, I'm gonna show you what happens if this is turned off. It won't be able to get the song name and you won't be able to read your notifications. So if that happens, make sure that you have your notification access turned on the Mi Fit app. So let's walk you through the features of this Mi Band. You can skip to this timestamp here if you already know the features, just in case you already had a Mi Band. So just swipe up and down to see your status. Can you see that? Hold on, let me try to zoom it. Okay, status and heart rate, workout. We have outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking, exercise, and swimming. Yes, you can swim with this thing because this is waterproof, within 5 meters, I think. Weather, notifications. See, that's a text message. If you have your notification access off, it's not going to show up. So you can actually scroll on your notification. On the more, we have do not disturb, alarm, music, stopwatch, and timer, find device, silent, Alipay. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use that ever. Band display, in which you can change your band display, but you can also do that on the Mi Fit app, and there's going to be a lot of options on the Mi Fit app than here. And settings, we only have brightness, lock screen. Yes, you can lock your Mi Band, reboot the Mi Band, factory reset, and some info about the band. So that's all the features of the Mi Band. Now, the charging contacts is now on the backside instead of around here, which used to be the design for the Mi Band 1 to 3. They changed it up. I'm not sure what's the purpose, but I don't really care because you're gonna have to remove it anyway. you're gonna have to remove it from the strap. If they made it like stick on the bottom without having to remove your strap, that's going to be awesome, but apparently not, so it doesn't matter. This screen is 30 to 40% brighter and bigger than Mi Band 3, but it looks like this on direct sunlight. It doesn't actually flicker. Now the battery life, since yesterday, I've already used up 4% of the battery. That's just one day, 4% of the battery. I still have 96%, and that's great. That's great since the box says it's 20-day battery life. I mean, I can't read in Chinese, but I've already seen the English version of the box. The battery life varies on how much features you actually use. If you're gonna use the sleep assistant and the heart rate sensor all the time, those two are gonna be draining the battery so much. The screen is edge, so I'm kind of not sure if it's going to be durable. My Mi Band 4, the other one, can you see that? There's a damage on my Mi Band 4. Now that damage is only on the strap and the plastic on the side, not the screen. So that's kind of nice that the screen is pretty durable. We're going to test how tough the screen is. I don't know, maybe we're gonna have a scratch test, we're gonna smash the screen or something. But before we end it, I have something to say that I think is worth mentioning. So this came without any charge on it. This came without any charge on it as well. But this one only charges to 98%. I posted the problem on Reddit, and apparently someone had a problem that their Mi Band 4 is also stuck on 98%. Now I don't know if that is related, because it's just odd that someone would have the same exact problem, and the bizarre part there is that it's also 98%. Why can't it be 95% or anything else, right? So if your Mi Band 4 gets stuck on 98% or anything, make sure to comment it down below. Let's see if maybe there's a pattern here on what Mi Bands, or maybe it's the Chinese variants, or I don't know. Maybe it's the non-NFC version, because this one is the non-NFC version. There's a version of the Mi Band 4 where it has NFC for payment. Yeah, that's about it. I'm just kind of sad that this one is defective, so we're gonna have to use it for the tough test for the Mi Band 4. Thumbs if you like it, subs if you loved it. See you on the next video.